Let's prep the bamboo mat. Without plastic wrap, rice gets stuck in the gaps. Stretch the film on the table, place the mat with sticks vertically all the sides in front row. Wrap it tightly 4 times. Secret: roll the mat into a tight tube to squeeze out air so the film sticks perfectly. Tuck the loose edge to the back. Done! A perfect surface. Clean, hygienic, and non-stick. Let's go!